Fights aging. Orange peel powder is orange peel powder benefits. By keeping check on acne, orange peel powder makes skin glow, tightens pores, hydrates skin. Orange peel powder brightens skin. Orange peel powder acts as a natural bleach. Orange peel pack with yogurt. Orange peel, turmeric, and honey pack. Did you know orange peels can be beneficial for the skin in several ways, as they contain various nutrients such as vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential oils, which can contribute to healthier skin? Orange peels are rich in vitamin C, which can help brighten the skin and reduce dark spots or blemishes, where rubbing the inside of an orange peel directly onto your skin or using orange peel powder mixed with a carrier oil can promote a brighter complexion. Today we will discuss about top 10 skin benefits of orange peel. Every point is very important for your skin. Second last and last best tips for your skin. Number 1. Fights aging. Orange peel powder is a rich source of antioxidants, which have been proven to be extremely useful in the fight against free radicals. It helps maintain a radiant and youthful glow. Number 2. Orange peel powder benefits. By keeping check on acne, orange peel powder thoroughly cleanses your pores and gets rid of acne-causing bacteria. It soothes your skin and keeps breakouts, whiteheads, and blackheads at bay. Number 3. Orange peel powder makes skin glow. Orange peel powder adds a natural glow to your skin. It boosts your hydration level and nourishes your skin. The benefits of antioxidants for skin present in this ingredient work towards protecting your skin from damage and revealing a glowing complexion. Number 4. Tightens pores. Using orange peel powder cleanses your pores. The astringent properties of this ingredient balances sebum production and tightens your pores. Number 5. Hydrates skin. The vitamin C present in orange peel powder dives deep into your skin to provide hydration. Make way for plump and supple skin with this ingredient by your side. Number 6. Orange peel powder as a cleanser scrub. You can add some ingredients like gram flour and rose water to orange peel powder to create a face cleanser for your skin. The grainy texture of orange peel powder makes it an effective exfoliant to remove dead skin from face. Number 7. Orange peel powder brightens skin. Orange peel powder contains citric acid, which helps to remove pimple marks, dark spots, and pigmentation. It improves your complexion and delivers an even skin tone. Number 8. Orange peel powder acts as a natural bleach. We must have come across various commercials that claim that their cosmetic bleach has orange peel extracts. But unlike the commercials, orange peel powder is excellent natural bleach with no ammonia and no side effects. It rather gives you a touch of an extra glow. The vitamin C and natural AHAs present in oranges help in restoring the natural complexion of your skin. It provides all the benefits a regular bleach does, but without damaging the natural quality of your skin. Number 9. Orange peel pack with yogurt. Mix 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Make sure that they have blended fully and you get a consistent texture. Evenly apply the paste on your face, wash it after 20 minutes, and enjoy your fresh face. Get naturally glowing skin with this orange peel powder pack. Number 10. Orange peel, turmeric, and honey pack. Blend a tablespoon of orange peel powder with a pinch of turmeric and a tablespoon of natural honey, which gives your pack a thick texture. Make a fine paste and apply it evenly to your face and neck. Keep it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it away with a gentle cleanser or rose water. This way, get rid of your stubborn tan by consistently applying this pack to your skin. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the icon so these informational videos to reach you. Please write a good comment about the video